someone to help me stay awake because evidently Killer Mike has gone to sleep.
Niggas talk to
Look at my team.
woke ass shit. Same niggas walking on some broke ass shit. You see your words ain't worth no money. I ain't spoke back, bitch. All of you
Hell
niggas
no.
hang together on some broke back shit. Really, y'all niggas some hoes on some hoe ass shit. Look at me and take a picture on some Kodak shit. What you see is a Jeep and you envy that shit. I can see it in your eyes like an envious bitch. I'm in rooms with politicians talking business and shit. Here you come with your opinion, ain't solicit that shit. Lola hit up DJ Paul, went to Memphis and shit. Paul, rest in peace, the Lord infamous bitch. I'm so underground, I move like Pimp C in this bitch. I bob and weave and bust on piece like Bun B in this bitch. I'm feeling like I'm Tony Draper, Ballin' G in this bitch. On fire like hot boy Juve, 400 degrees in this bitch. All that chatter that you chatter about my matter just don't matter. I don't forth and backer. I clacker, ratter, tatter. Could be blacker, could be cracker. It's whatever, that's whenever. Sprinkle salt, I spray pepper. You play bad, I go evil. I know folk, I know people. I'm the shit, I go fecal. You a leech, I'm a leader. Humble down, we ain't equal. Kill your master, slap your sequel. I'm rich rolling, true